This is video 2.3, step 1, using a feminist literary lens. The learning objective students will be able to read chapter 3 and analyze of mice and men using a feminist lens. A feminist lens is a lens of women's equality. So remember the lenses. We are talking about theories, literary theories, that make us see books a different way. Looking at the deeper meaning in literature. Literary lenses are like glasses because they change the way we see things. We'll investigate 3 different lenses in this unit. The first is Marxist, and now we're moving to feminist. So, feminist key ideas. Let's look at them. First of all, society is run and dominated by heterosexual men. Not that this is a good thing, but that this is how things are. Women and people in the LGBTQIA community are seen as others. Take a look at this link to see what these different letters stand for. It's a big umbrella term encompassing a lot of different people. By definition, women and people in the LGBTQIA community hold an inferior position in society, and that's not fair. Check out this brief history on feminism from the History channel in the link. Central questions to ask when using a feminist lens. First of all, how do the characters' gender and sexuality affect their power? So the gender, male, female, something else, sexuality, heterosexual, homosexual, something else. How do those aspects affect their power? B, are there traditional gender roles? Do characters follow them? How are characters who do not follow them treated by others? What roles do women have in the text? Are they in minor or prominent roles? What influence does society and culture have on gender roles in the text? And then consider this. If an LGBTQIA character suddenly entered the world of the book, how would they be accepted by the other characters? Are men, women, and people of other genders held to the same expectations as each other in the text? Or are there different rules based on gender? All right, if we examine our own society through a feminist lens, then some of the expectations or rules for men include, what do you think? Do some brainstorming here. What are the rules about strength for men? Emotions for men? What are the unspoken rules about providing and having money? How about the expectations or rules for women when it comes to beauty or feelings or love? How are they different? Spend some time writing now in your packet. All right, let's move on to the next one. Do you think men, women, and people of other genders have the same amount of power in our society? Explain with examples. I don't know if you've heard of Sarah McBride, the first openly transgender senator from Delaware who was elected last year. But just the fact that there's never been an openly transgender senator elected says something to me about power. The fact that we never had someone in the president or vice president position who was a woman until the last election, where now we have our first elected vice president who is female, Kamala Harris, says something to me about power. What are your thoughts? So spend some time writing right now. All right, there's also a video that you can watch about how feminism started. Feel free to check that out, the history of feminism and what does it mean to be a feminist. It's a good, quick watch. All right, enjoy chapter 3 as you read, geniuses. Take it easy. Bye.